Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be decorating my Christmas tree, and I decided to go with a rustic farmhouse look this year. So the first thing that I did to the tree is I actually decided to go ahead and flock the tree myself just because I have 3 trees in my attic. We really don't need to buy another one, and so I just did some research on how to flock your own Christmas tree, and it was surprisingly easier than you think. So if you guys are interested in flocking your Christmas tree, I would highly recommend it. It was pretty simple to do, and the outcome was really good. So I started by flocking my Christmas tree. Throughout this video, you guys will notice that I have flock all over me, like it's all over my back right there. But I ended up buying the 2-pound bag, I believe it was, and that was plenty for, I want to say our tree is a 7-foot tree if I remember correctly, and I had about half the bag left after doing this. I actually ended up doing, this is a really good tip I would have for you guys, because I was checking out a bunch of different floral picks at places like Michael's and Hobby Lobby, and I found that they were really pricey, even 50% off if you're buying a whole bunch for your Christmas tree. And so I actually went to the Dollar Tree, and they had some really great picks this year. The ones that I got were the ones that had the pine sprig. They had some holly berries, some pine cones, and then they also had the cotton heads on it with the different cotton pods. And I actually took the cotton pods off. They were pretty easy to just pop off, and I put them in some styrofoam, took them outside, and I decided to flock them the exact same way that I flocked my Christmas tree. It really stepped it up a game from what it was, and they turned out really great. They look high dollar. Nobody would ever know that I only paid $1 a piece for them. So that's a really great tip that I have if you're looking to add some floral picks to your decor and you want them to look high quality but you don't want to pay the price. I picked up this ribbon you can see me using right here from Walmart. I want to say it was right around $7, maybe a little bit less, but it is burlap and it has kind of a shine to it in a metallic red. And I'm just taking the ribbon and I'm weaving it in and out of the branches. I really like this look this year, and I think it turned out really cute. I also picked up some of the smaller ribbon. It is red and kind of a burlap look as well, and it kind of reminded me of Rae Dunn. I really fell in love with it right when I saw it. I picked up 2 rolls of this, and I want to say that it says ho 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 and jingle bells, but again, it just really reminded me of Rae Dunn, and I'm really into Rae Dunn this year. I have several ornaments that look like they're Rae Dunn, and so I think it ended up matching the decor really well. I decided to go ahead and put it over the top of the wider ribbon here, and I don't know if anybody would be able to tell that they're actually 2 different pieces, but I really like the way that it turned out. If you watched my Christmas Decorate With Me video, you saw that I put my garland up on my mantle right there, and I kind of made it myself out of several different things because garland is so stinking expensive. But the main part of my garland was the lamb's ear, since I'm going for a rustic farmhouse look. And so I picked up 10 of these lamb's ear sprig picks, and that's what I'm sticking into the tree right here. So again, I had 10 of them, and I just really think that it tied it in together, and it gave my tree that farmhouse look that I was going for. I really love it. I'm just adding on my ornaments. I do not need any more ornaments, but when I was at Walmart, I found a few packages that I really, really loved. So the first ones are these that you can see me putting on the tree. They're pretty big. They're bigger than a normal bulb is, but they're pretty large white glittery ornaments, and then they have what resembles like a peppermint look to it made out of like a baker's twine, and it's wrapped down it. I thought it was really cute, and it matched that ribbon that I told you guys looked like Ray Dunn. So I bought a package of these. I also ended up buying a package of the ornaments that look like they have the red glitter on the inside, and so those were actually glass. I don't think I have any glass ornaments. Most of the ornaments these days they make are shatterproof. So I was actually excited to get some that were glass. It kind of reminded me of my childhood. I can definitely remember as a kid accidentally dropping my mom's ornaments on the ground and they would shatter everywhere and we'd have to clean them up. Inevitably, it would happen every year. And then eventually, you guys know, they started making the ornaments that are shatterproof. So I just bought a package of these and I really like these. I think that they're really glittery and cute. The rest of these ornaments that I'm putting on the tree now, I already owned. They came off my tree last year. I just have some that are, they're all shatterproof, but I just have some that are white and glittery, and then I also have some that are just red, and some of them are matte and some of them are shiny, and I think they paired really well with the ones that I went ahead and bought this year from Walmart. So I was really happy that they ended up working out together because I didn't have to spend a whole lot of money, and I actually really like my white glittery ones. I feel like I find a way to incorporate them somehow, even if my colors are different every year. And I don't actually have a star to go on top of my Christmas tree, but I saw a lot of people putting these picks at the top of their tree and I really liked it. So I picked up these picks from the Dollar Tree and went ahead and just stuck them in the top, and I really liked the way that they turned out. I decided to do something a little bit different this year. I actually stacked up my tree skirts. So I have this white one that I really, really love. I bought it from Big Lots either last year or the year before, but this year I found this black and white buffalo check one from the Target dollar spot and I wanted to use it as well, but I really love my white one. So I decided to just double them up and I think it turned out pretty cute. I like the way that it looks. I'm still showcasing my white one, but I'm also showcasing the black and white one as well, and it definitely fits the rustic farmhouse decor. Alright you guys, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you're not already subscribed, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It is free to do so. And I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!